morning, everyone, and welcome to our Bible sharing this morning. Thank you so much for tuning in. May the Lord bless you, keep you, and protect you always. Today, let's share with each other John 21, 1 to 10. Recounts us the failed fishing trip of Peter and his companions. A disastrous fishing trip for all of them in many ways. Abruptly, during the afternoon, Peter got bored, so he asked and invited his companions, "Let us go fishing. Let's go fishing." A very simple phrase from Peter, but it contains a lot of truth in it. Because it reminds us that many times we are like Peter. We aspire to do many things. We want to achieve many things in our lives. We are so pumped. We are so excited to enter a business or an endeavor. But at the end of the day, we failed terribly, badly. This phrase also reminds us of human ambitions through generation, human striving and quest for progress. Many times, all those striving and effort ends up in disaster, which bring us to some of the very beautiful reminders in the Bible. We can make our plans, but the Lord determined our steps. Proverbs 16:9. Or put it in a simpler way, human plans and God laughs. Unless the Lord builds the house, the builders will labor in vain. Psalm 127 verse 1. We make a lot of effort, but at the end of the day, it is the grace of God that will determine the outcome. It is His love for us that will bring out the beautiful fruit. So don't depend on our own abilities. Don't rely on our own wisdom, but rather listen to the voice of God, just like Peter and his companion today. After a failed night of hard work, they wanted to give up already. Luckily, Jesus appeared on the shore and told them, "Cast the net to the right side." And amazingly, they caught so much fish, so much so that it took 2 boats to hold on the fish to the shore. What can we learn from him? Or what can we learn from this incident? First of all, follow the instruction. Follow the advice of God. The disciple and Peter and all their companions might be professional fishermen, but Jesus Christ is the master of all the fish in the sea and in the lake, and He created all of them, including Peter and his companions. So the first lesson is to follow the instruction of our teacher, our Lord. The second thing we can learn is an extra effort and humble obedience might go a long way and might decide victory or failure, success or loss. Jesus said, if you love me, keep my commandments. John 14:15. If you love me, keep my commandments. That's the best sign of a good disciple, to listen and to obey and to follow the instruction and the commandments of God. And Saint Paul said, talk about the effort and talk about the attitude of not giving up in our lives. Saint Paul said, I have fought the good fight, I have run the race, and I have kept my faith. 2 Timothy 4:7. So that's the lesson that we can share with each other after reading John 21. Just a final remark. Final remark is that Jesus, not only a wonderful teacher, prophet, king, friend, but today Jesus was also a great chef because he knows how to cook a delicious breakfast for all of his children, one of his disciples. So we hope that one day when we meet him again in heaven, we might ask Jesus, Jesus, could you please treat us today by cooking for us a delicious breakfast or delicious dinner? So thank you so much for tuning in today, and may the Lord bless you and keep you